review today, I have the Phantom kit, 220 watt kit by Rev-Tech.
This is the Drift 2 sub-ohm tank. The tank measures 24.5 millimeters in diameter.
This is the M1 coil. It's a 0.18 ohm coil. So here's the mod. Yeah, that screen is huge. On the side is the fire button, and it does light up around it. You can turn that off. Up and down buttons, and this one is a menu button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks turns it on. You can change the colors of the dashboard. You disappeared. Obviously, the main feature of the Phantom mod is the big screen.